Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be trying out vitamin C for an entire week. I'm going to be trying out a whole bunch of products which contain vitamin C, and I'm going to show you guys what they actually do to my skin during the week. But before I do get into the video, I just want to let you guys know that this video is sponsored by iherb.com. I have shopped from them in the past, and as you guys already know, I get a lot of my skincare and even like a lot of my groceries from iherb.com. So what I'm going to be using, the range I'm going to be using for this video is called the InstaNatural range. So I have actually tried their actual vitamin C serum before, and I used to use it maybe 6 months ago, or even more than that. I used to use it on a daily basis, but then it ran out, and then in the past few months I have been like so sick and I've been so busy. My skincare routine has literally gone down the drain, and I always used to tell you guys like how important it is to use vitamin C in your skincare routine, and you know, like even I haven't been doing that. So I'm going to show you guys the direct effects of the vitamin C range and like what vitamin C does for your skin. And yeah, I hope you guys stick around till the end of the video to see what actually happens to my skin when I do use vitamin C for a week. So the reason why I always tell you guys to include vitamin C in your skincare routine and you know, use it on a daily basis is because it is so amazing, and not only like anti-aging, but it also promotes collagen production, which improves the texture of your skin, so it gives you like really smooth looking skin. It's also great, you know, as I already mentioned, at anti-aging, reduces the appearance of wrinkles, and it also helps the skin retain moisture, which is something my skin, like I've noticed ever since I did stop using the vitamin C serum that I used to, is that it's a lot drier, and you know, like it doesn't retain moisture. And even the moisturizers I use, even if they're a heavy moisturizer, my skin doesn't retain the moisture. Not only that, obviously, you know, we all know that vitamin C brightens the skin, and it prevents sun damage if we use it on a daily basis. So I got a whole lot of products from this range. I haven't tried them before. I have tried the actual serum before a long time ago, and I know this is great. So I'm excited to try that again. But I also got the vitamin C cleanser. I got the vitamin C moisturizer with SPF 30 because I don't like using too many products. If you know, this one product has everything in it, I'd rather just use that. I also got the Youth Express eye gel for my under eyes. And another thing I got is the InstaNatural organic rosehip oil. And now I was really excited to try this because, as we all know, and I've mentioned rosehip oil in my videos before, rosehip oil is so great at anti-aging as well. And since my skin has been so dry, I think an oil is what I really need. I also picked up the Dead Sea Mud Mask, and I got this natural deodorant, but I don't know, I'll just try this out and tell you guys how I like it. And obviously I picked up the famous vitamin C serum, which includes hyaluronic acid, ferulic acid, sea buckthorn oil, and plant stem cells. So I am so excited to try this. Let's try it today. I'm going to keep you guys updated for the rest of the week and then show you my skin afterwards. I think everything in this range smells like oranges, which is something I really like. So I didn't actually pick up any toner, but I've got the vitamin C serum that I really love. And all you need is about that much, I would say. You don't need a whole lot, maybe 2-3 drops for your entire face. And what I would do is just kind of rub it into my hands and pat the serum into my skin. Hi guys, it is day 3. I have just cleansed my skin. and I'm actually going to be trying the Dead Sea Mud Mask today for the first time. So the past 2 days I have tried all the other products. I've tried the deodorant and I really like it, but I'm going to be trying the Dead Sea mask. I'm just going to apply it with my fingers. Now I'm usually like pretty scared of mud masks because you know, obviously a lot of you guys know that I do have dry skin, so mud masks do scare me a lot. But I picked this one up because it actually has shea butter, sunflower seed oil, and it also contains aloe vera gel. So I thought that it's probably not going to be like too drying to my skin. So I am just going to apply a really thin layer of this mask, and it says you just have to wait 10 to 15 minutes before you wash the mask off. Now on the IO website, they actually carry over 40 different InstaNatural products. So if you guys do have like oily skin or something, you can grab something a bit more catered to your skin type. I have really dry and sensitive skin, so obviously all the products that I did get kind of are catering to my skincare needs. IOB also ship to 150 different countries and have support in 10 different languages, so I'm sure none of you guys will have any issues ordering products from them. I'm gonna leave this mask on for 10 to 15 minutes and then wash it right off and show you guys the instant effects of this mud mask. Okay guys, so my skin feels super soft, smooth and clean after that mask. You guys can probably see that glow on my face already. It's like crazy. I'm gonna finish off with the serum now. So I'm just gonna apply this all over my face, and I'm gonna be applying the organic rosehip oil, and then I'm gonna be off to bed. My skin so far has been amazing. My skin is so much more softer since I have started using this, even though I started using these products just 2 days ago. So this is day 3. I will update you guys in 2 or 3 days and show you guys how my skin is looking after just 1 week of using all these products. Hi guys, it is day 7 of my vitamin C skincare challenge. So this week I tried all these amazing products, and I gotta say they are pretty great. My skin has been so like soft, supple and smooth. The vitamin C moisturizer, which I have been using in the morning, is been really great because a lot of the time I forget to use sunscreen. So I feel like that's a great alternative to, you know, like you already have the sunscreen in your moisturizer, so that's been really good. Overall the products have been really amazing. The eye cream is also really great. Like I'll show you guys the texture. It comes out like a really thin gel. I'm not sure if you can see it, but it blends into the skin really well. So overall these products are amazing. I would highly recommend to include vitamin C and also rosehip oil in your skincare routine, guys. They are both like amazing products for your skin, and you will definitely see a huge difference, not only like instantly but in the long term, because they do prevent aging and they slow down the aging process as well. So those things I can't show you within a week, but you will see them, you know, as you guys do use them over a long period of time. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed to my YouTube, hit the subscription box below, and don't forget to hit that little bell icon so you guys can get notified every time I do upload. And absolutely every link to every product I have showed you guys in the past week will be in the description box below. So don't forget to open that description box up and check all the products out. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.